Hey Pennridge, I'm Levin here with a nice gardening tip for the day. I want to remind you all that spring is quickly approaching, so it's time to buy your seeds. That's it from me. Now off to the next segment.
Thanks, Harrison, and good morning, Pennridge. I'm Natalie here with your announcements for Thursday, February 23rd, 2021, a day one on your academic calendar. The weather today will be a high of 26 and a low of 13. Let's move on to lunch. Today the CAF will be serving cheesesteaks, smile fries, baby carrots, fresh fruit, fruit juice, and as always, your choice of milk. And breakfast and lunch are currently free. Also, as we prepare for the transition to 5-day instruction, many of us are excited but also anxious. To make the first week a little more fun, we will be celebrating these Spirit Days. Take a picture and tag Pennridge or use hashtag #WelcomeBackPennridge to share your spirit. You can also submit pictures using this Google form. Today is tie-dye day because it was a top trend during the shutdown. Wednesday is sports apparel day because we can't wait to cheer for live sports again. Thursday is college apparel day because students want to think about the future. And Friday is green and white day because Pennridge Pride. That's it for me. Now let's go to a video announcement from the Minority Inclusive Club.
Good morning, Pennridge. I'm Sophia Lowry from Minority Inclusive Club. Today, in honor of Black History Month, we would like to honor Chadwick Boseman. The famous actor and playwright got his degree from Howard University, a famous HBCU. Chadwick Boseman is known for his role as T'Challa in the Marvel film Black Panther, his role as Jackie Robinson in the film 42, James Brown in the movie Get On Up, and Thurgood Marshall in the movie Marshall. Boseman was able to shed a positive light on the Black community from his positive and uplifting roles, which gave insight on what it was like being Black in America. For many of his roles, he was able to switch the negative into something positive. He inspired many children today by being one of the first Black superheroes for kids to look up to. Unfortunately, he passed away late August due to cancer, but was able to battle and persevere in order to create films with messages that are long-lived.
Sophia, we appreciate that message. I'm Luke.
And I'm Kiersten with all the news.
Ironworkers Local 401 will be accepting applications for apprenticeships for the upcoming fall 2021 class. Interested candidates may obtain an application from March 1st through March 12th at their training center. For more information, stop by the College and Career Center, room 354.
Also, there are a number of virtual visits scheduled through the months of February and March. Some of those scheduled are Central Penn College, U.S. Marines, Shippensburg University, U.S. Navy, and St. Luke's Hospital School of Nursing. Please check Naviance for weekly updates to register. If you have any questions, please contact Ms. Lewis in the College and Career Center. That's it for me. Now off to sports with Pat.
Thanks, Kiersten. I'm Pat with your sports for the day. Girls JV varsity basketball away at 5:30 and 7 p.m. versus Pennsbury High School. Dismiss 1:45, depart 2 p.m. Boys JV and varsity basketball home at 5:30 and 7 p.m. versus Pennsbury High School. Moving forward, men's spring track and field practice will begin on Monday, March 8th. If you are part of a fall and or winter sport, simply go to the Pennridge Sports website and complete the recertification form, Section 7. If this is your first sport of the school year, go to the Pennridge Sports website and fill out all the online paperwork. In addition, you must have a physical exam form signed and dated after June 1st, 2020. The physical form must be returned to Coach Hosier or the athletic trainer. If you are having trouble with your paperwork, pick up directions at the athletic trainer's office. And congratulations to the swimming medley relay of Greg Bayshard, Joseph Hong, Brett Musselman, and Julian Ortega, who finished first in the conference with a new team record of 138.86. Joseph Hong also won the 200 IM and the 100 breaststroke. Lauren Scott placed second overall in the 200 and 100 free, and Ali Ricciardi finished third in the 50 free. Also, congratulations to the following wrestlers on their outstanding performances at the league championships. 106, Cole Coffin, second place. 113, Sam Coons, first place. 120, Anthony Graniti, fourth place. 126, Nate Minuala, third place. 138, Gio Aninasi, second place. 152, Ryan Gallagher, first place. 160, Marquez Brockington, third place. And 172, Luke Walls, first place. And 215, Ben Souter, fourth place. 285, Chase Washington, fourth place. And don't forget that you can watch many of the winter sports events from your couch at home. Tune in to the Pennridge TV YouTube channel. That's it from me. Now back to the desk with Austin.
Thanks, Pat. I'm Austin with your teacher and club news. Hey, Pennridge. Pennridge Minithon is holding a t-shirt logo contest with a chance to win a $15 Dunkin' Donuts gift card. Logos must be 80s themed, say Pennridge Minithon, and have the year 2021 on it. The logo must be emailed to pennridgeminithon@gmail.com by March 1st to be eligible to win. Thanks. And drum roll, please. We have a winner. Congratulations to Benjamin Swartley, who guessed the closest number of hearts in the container. There are 334 in the jar. Thanks to all that entered. Look for another library contest coming in the upcoming weeks. That's it for us. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, Pennridge.